Greetings, fellow plant enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the enchanting realm of the Philodendron Fuzzy Petiole, scientifically known as Philodendron bipennifolium, originating from the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. This philodendron boasts a lineage intertwined with the lush landscapes of its native regions. Its journey from the wild to our homes adds a layer of fascination to its story. Stay true to its name. This plant features petioles covered in a velvety fuzz that gives it a distinct tactile charm. Its bipinnate leaves showcase a stunning display of lush greenery, making it a true statement piece in any collection. This plant thrives in bright indirect light and well-draining soil. Its velvet tepals hint at its preference for higher humidity levels, making it a perfect candidate for terrariums or regular misting. Its lush foliage harmonizes well with other tropical plants like Calathea, Maranta, and Monstera. Together, they create a lush and vibrant haven of greenery. The Philodendron Fuzzy Petiole is not just a plant. It's a sensory experience. Its velvety petioles make it an intriguing tactile addition to any collection. Whether displayed as a solo statement piece or part of a lush indoor jungle, this philodendron adds texture, depth, and a touch of the wild to your living space. And there you have it, the captivating world of Philodendron bipennifolium, the Fuzzy Petiole philodendron. Wishing you joyful gardening and farming, and may the Fuzzy Petiole philodendron bring an enchanting touch of nature to your surroundings.